Hi, Mike Stein from the Center for Teaching Excellence. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with Canvas assignments. We'll take a look at how to create an assignment, how to embed media in an assignment, how to add links, how to set the submission type so you can choose which type of format you would like to accept, how to set the due date when the assignment is due, how to save and publish, and how to grade your assignment. Let's get started. To create an assignment, let's go to the modules, and we'll add a new assignment to the first module here. Click the plus button to add a new item, and select assignment from the list. Then click Create Assignment. Give your assignment a name, then click Add Item. Your assignment will appear at the bottom of your module. Click on the assignment to open it. Now let's edit the assignment. To edit the assignment, click the Edit button at the top right of the screen. You can add instructions by typing in the box here. To add an image to your assignment, click the Image drop-down menu and select Upload Image. You can upload an image from your computer or click Unsplash and search for an image for free on the internet. Select the image you'd like to add, then click Submit. You can resize by dragging the corners. If you'd like to add a video to your assignment, click in the place where you'd like to add the video and click the plugin. Select Media Site from the list or click View All if you don't see it on your list. Scroll down and select Media Site from the list here. Then select Presentation. Wait for your presentation to load, then select the presentation you'd like to add. Then select Player Only. Your video will then be added to your assignment. If you'd like to add a link to your assignment, select the text you'd like to link to. Then click the Link button and select either external links or a link to another place in your course. You can link to assignments, discussions, or pages in your course. In this case, let's select external links. In the link field, type in the URL of the site you'd like to link to. Then click Done. Now let's edit some of the settings. To change the number of points your assignment is worth, change the number in the points field. In this case, I'll set this assignment to 100 points. To set the submission type, under Submission Type, select the drop-down menu and select Online, On Paper, or an external tool. In this case, if you'd like to have students submit a document online, let's select Online. Then check the boxes you'd like to offer. Text entry will allow students to type directly into the assignment. This is good for short answer assignments. You can also allow students to submit a website URL, a media recording such as a video or audio recording, a student annotation of a document or a website, or upload a file. In this case, we want students to upload a Word document, so let's select File Uploads. You can also choose to restrict the file upload types if you only want to accept certain types of files. In most cases, we can leave this off. However, because I want students to only upload a .doc or .dox format, we can say Restrict Upload File Types and type in the extensions in the list. In this case, we would do .doc and .docx. You can also set the number of submission attempts by allowing students unlimited attempts to submit the assignment or limiting them to a certain number of attempts. In this case, I'll leave it unlimited. Now let's set the due date. At the bottom of the page in the Assign group, next to Due, click the calendar icon. Then select the date you'd like the assignment to be due. In this case, I'll select September 23rd. When you're finished, click Save and Publish. You'll now see a preview of your assignment. We can see that the assignment is worth 100 points. Students must submit a file, and the file type must be DOC or DOCX. We can also see that the assignment has a due date of September 23rd. Now let's look at how to grade an assignment. To grade an assignment, I'll need to submit the assignment first. So I'll go to Student View and submit the assignment. Then click Submit. Now that my student has submitted the assignment, I can grade it. So let's leave Student View. I can now see that 0 out of 1 submissions have been graded, which means that I have 1 submission that I should grade. To grade the assignment, click the Speed Grader link at the top of the screen. You will now see a preview of the work the student has submitted. To assign the student a grade, click in the grade field and type in the grade. In this case, I'll give the student 95. You can also provide comments by clicking in the comment field and click Submit to submit my comment. You can also attach a file to your comments or add a video or audio recording. You can also annotate directly on the assignment by using the tools up at the top of the screen. In this case, we have a highlighter to highlight certain text in the assignment. We can also write text, strike through certain text, or draw freehand on the assignment. You have now successfully created and graded an assignment in Canvas. Thanks for watching.